is console.log not coming? What's happened to the card? Console.log should come. No? I've been using that for a while. So it says finish processing. No, it says finish processing new subscription.
Successful.
Ah, it is here. Why the hell is console.log? Let's see. Am I doing the thing in the right place? That's possible, right? How come? Should deploy something else? Ah, oof. Hey, which branch is deployed, Latan? Ah, no, it's not that. It's something else.
No, it's okay. Let's hit it again. Sure. Where's the mic? No, he'll come. He didn't do. Let's see. Okay. Sometime. There will be delay of it. Oh, it's delay. No, it's just started. 58. Is it? 58, 17. 59, 17. The first call will go. Yeah, my strength. Okay, let's see. This should be one.
Say all API requests, including invalid requests, incorrect protocol of at least 1 point. That's
I don't think one cost is that much. Even if one cost
If it does, ask Matt to increase the quota.
if one cost, right? What
You
happens?
can pay also the extra cost.
1 minute. So if event goes live for 5 hours, we lose only 300 points. 300 point units. We have 1 million units. For
If it is also,
yeah.
then you have even then you will pay.
Yeah, again there was some error. The requested resource could not be found.
That is different. Why it is giving 404? That you need to check. Now if we go from the advanced test plan, it is giving 204 or 204. Data and extractor. What it is.
Failed to pass the message. Deployment. How come you say this? I went to so much trouble.
Check in the 125 log.
See, it's running. Analytics API current
Just
jar.
to execute the API.
Bad requests I'm getting. when I do it here.
YouTube simulcast analytics invalid action.
Invalid action.
Not well.
What was the action you were supposed to pass?
Unknown message received.
Why?
Open. What is it? YouTube branch. Go to YouTube branch. Check what time.
Action name YouTube simulcast analytics. And
YouTube.
underscore simulcast underscore analytics.
Send me that.
Feels good.
Check this.
After so much effort, this is coming green. Yeah, I passed.
API is being deployed properly.
Yeah, it's deployed properly. Yes.
Open analytics branch.
Like, error minus.
What did you say? No, open this analytics API now. That branch. Simulcast type in YouTube. This is the branch.
The branch I've changed.
One second. YouTube simulcast analytics. Okay. I know. This is my fault.
No worry. It's a work, that's what.
Shit. That is. Sorry, man.
No worry. I'm learning at least. You use this, huh? You just copy here and then do it.
Hmm.
You have to create a new class.
Everything was there. That case, this thing was not added. That's
It's the same thing that we
Commit.
do.
What you did.
No, nothing I did.
Commit it. And then you deploy it. Then it will work, man.
No, git. Git analytics. Git branch. Simulcast YouTube. Git status. Git and I did factor.
It's something when I need. I use it. So this. You have to put ABCD. Deploy, man.
Jyoti.
WQ not man.
क्यों?
Git push fast man, fast. I want this.
Done, man, done. Don't worry, I have everything here ready.
You know what you have to do, right?
Again, I have to add the properties here. No? Should I copy the property first?
Yes. Dot slash dot another dot slash dot slash current config root one and do
Yeah.
and
I forgot. Config.
do cat
Cat VI na?
do na
KGT cat application.
what
This is the property. This is the property. True.
Let
Equal
it.
to true.
Run.
Yeah, I know. It's the property. I only wrote it.
So what? I'm not denying that.
But once you deploy, it will go up.
Why? It's already cat already run, right? Now next cat will not.
I'm sorry.
Because we don't know. In between, if we do again some copy paste something, that's
Then
right.
we'll have a nightmare.
It's already persistent copy. Now, multiple times you copy paste, you can just scroll up, copy, paste.
If it works, my YouTube is running, so it will be very. I have not left it open. Running, keep running.
You will exhaust the quota during testing.
One day only that. And that too, I won't exhaust, right? It's 4 calls. That 170 calls is not abnormal.
What you should check the rate limit also, right? You what you do? Just change it.
Past all
No,
the
no.
path.
All the path. Decrease that quota. Make the request. What is the behavior? You will get error. After that, you know it will be refreshed after 1 day or something. It is happening. You are getting.
So I can change the quota to 10.
Right now.
Let's change the quota.
One by one, man.
We are trying too many things in parallel. Data IP 64 if it's already.
Change it. Make it 10. That's
No,
it.
that's, I won't be able to test anything. Let's make it 100.
Whatever means. No, you can make it 10 and just it will just one after some time, one call or two call, it will fail. We'll know okay what is happening. And see now 10 call it failed, it
If
gives
quota
us
exceeded exception, still we are trying.
why?
That's what Pankaj said yesterday. So if the quota fails, don't worry about that. Just leave that.
So that is why quota failed. Okay, now after why he told is now say once we start getting quota failed, just increase to 10 to 100 and see how immediate it takes effect. We're getting
No, now this, do it 100.
one by one.
Restart myself.
That is why.
It's there only.
No. It's old.
C/read.d/this API start.
Please give password fast, man. Enter. Huh? This is also.
The same SSS key I'm using every day. How do you get the line numbers? You're in config /shared/ configure correct.
Okay. Fine. Still failed to pause. And why?
Still failed.
Push right. Why it failed? Failed to pass the message.
This is not the correct property. So I've changed the property.
Here, these two things.
No. No, even the video views are long
That is why it's not able to map.
because we are sending it as a string. Even video ID is a string.
So we should make it as an option. Because video views, till video views, we will get every message, right?
Yeah.
Right? These two will only come after report, right?
Yeah. Timestamp you have set as an option. It should be not an option. States will get every time. What is this option?
You cannot send.
It's empty. Every
You
time.
don't send.
Okay, anyway.
That's fine. Hmm. You have to see that is the error. That is why.
You didn't even pass this property?
Why we are getting stuck.
No, man.
So account ID, event ID, total video views, total video views, total time. We gave no total video.
Two times will go.
Why?
Here it is.
Still fail. Why?
Actually, no, it's fine.
Already when I have total video views, YouTube video ID, action, XML ID, state,
Video ID file.
video ID is there,
Integer.
timestamp, total video views, total time.
This Java is in J, it should be J long, right? Long to long. And you're doing long to long, it will be a string, right? Why is it giant?
Everything is value, right? Having value.
Yeah.
Do not know how to convert these strings. What is the strings? 5. Okay, views, I think it's mentioned as a string.
Yeah, everything is string.
Where is
U is coming
no,
as
where
string.
is 5? What is 5? Ah, that is it.
So other views should also appear.
King. Huh?
Just like that.
Where is it? Yes, of course.
So it's long, right? So I should take long every time.
So that is what we need to define what.
So I'll change the rest. I know how to change. That's it. So everything is long. All the values are long. View time second, right?
Yeah.
Also timestamp is long. Timestamp is long. That will be long.
Yes. Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
Time offset.
So whatever you are passing that string, this total video views, that you need to check.
These three things I need to change to long. That I know. That's from my side only, right? Okay. No, you have to change.
What?
This thing is still what? It's just one memory. One takes one parameter, that's fine. Huh? Sugar.
Where is this?
Yeah. In the meantime, I'll change that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
View matrix. You don't do string. What is that? It's the object.
Yeah. I need to do too long, right? Too long you can't do. Message.
You can just do long of this thing. But if we want, we can put it as a string. That's not a problem.
No,
If we are, huh?
there it comes in a string, that's why I kept it as a string.
Not happen. It goes beyond long. Big data, big decimal, big thing. Then
Let's keep it as a string.
right?
String will always, right?
No, string is always.
But I'm asking, should we or should we not?
No, put long. What we are doing for Facebook.
Facebook video insights last week.
Video inside object value. Then here we are passing what we are doing. Just
So it's passing object on directly. And there it's changing.
oh, that's right.
So I'm just passing object on it. Even I pass object. No need to do this two string, two string. It will all string make my life.
One second. One second. Just 500.
of 580. Also, you are not expecting timestamp to be null.
Timestamp will not be long.
Why?
You are not passing timestamp sometime. Or what?
I'm passing, but I'm taking for the put also I'm parsing the data passing. And that parse fails, then okay, it will be default. So default I made as a system that current time ranges, so it will always give some value. That's fine. You changed. What did you change there? I didn't see.
Okay. Yeah. That's it.
Done. Done, 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 done. Anywhere I'm getting it. And now, why am I this string anywhere?
Your- From YouTube, what you are getting? Long? They
No,
shows, right?
this-
Data
this-
type. They show na,
Yeah, yeah, I know. I'm getting lost.
right? Yeah. So that is why we need not do anything. They pass easily long. Yeah. Fine. Fine, man.
Oh, this is parcel. I have to make it a string. Anyway,
Save it, run it, whatever you want to do.
then it's done, 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 done.
Do it now. 1 second. What happened to this guy? This guy is compiled. Git push. Push,
Don't
man.
commit. You don't
Push
want to
minus
commit.
A.
Push minus A directly.
Yeah.
You.
Put something. Yeah, fine, fine, fine. More.
You didn't work like that. Commit work.
Okay. That is why I use git curl. It will automatically do the commit, then push. Start the deployment again. Push, na? Whatever, this thing.
I restarted.
Right.
I don't know. It's been a long time I've restarted this. This is saving. App engine one didn't give any issue. No? They say like in app engine it won't work. Net export transfer it works.
You need to check with proper app engine.
No, I depend on that.
There also it will not give. But URL file transport, main thing is it automatically handles the 30-second deadline and all. If it takes more than 30 seconds, did you check that? Say in a network call, just use net HTTP transport. Now, execute man. Change the API rate limit.
Let's make it 100 because already there is too many. Where is the other one?
It's fine. First, let's see some data. Then we'll do rate limit thing. It's fine, man. It's fine, man. Let's first push some data. Then we'll see rate limit. Okay, so even for rate limit also, it will be doing every minute only. So same thing you do now on Facebook.
That will pick up once we are done. He asked actually, he said your treatment will increase, so you don't have to worry about it. So I said, I was doing something like if it put accident and I was waiting for 8 hours, like checking, then I didn't. Then he said, no need to do anything. Just log this and continue. If, tell me one thing, if my photo is deleted, I read reached, right? And I still hit it for 5,000 times. What will happen?
YouTube will send a hitman.
That's not good. Yeah, it's it's still bombarded. No, rate limiting receiver, it won't even go right. They won't consume the resources.
Let them do
Worry about
whatever
this.
they want. It's their rate limit information, right? That they are using resource to check
Go
the
back,
rate
go
limit.
back, go back, go back. Current, then configure, then up, then enter. Let's not hit this one.
This already we tested. Where is your
The go history na last one. The event is live. So
This.
yeah, there's no change.
This one?
Yeah. Broadcast is going on continuously.
It's already released.
Just hit it
Oh, you already.
first.
Which version of
If what happens if I have to select really,
Yeah,
what? Forget manually put somewhere.
I'm just checking the logic side.
What line?
That each life false check, right? If report API only I'm telling false, if less than 3 only I'm calling report API. And it has to be less than 3 only, right? 3210. 2100.
I don't give them 3 call, 4 call, rate limit. Rate limit, 4 call, 3 call. Enough. After doing the Facebook sample, just again saying these issues and not.
The only good part was this YouTube API because I didn't do anything like this, right? You also did this in BigQuery API. You wrote the name BigQuery, right?
I wrote.
BigQuery API.
Now it's some your issue. It didn't come. See,
What is that?
404 why you are getting.
Why am I getting 4
And also see, total video views is still 2 with string. Why?
Did I change?
Huh? Why it is string? It always comes with string. Because total video views is coming from data API, that's why. So this you need to change. Okay. Then 404 means it's not at all come going to Samarkand. Where is the anticipation? Why it is not able to find anything? 404 why it is saying? That's my question. Code is 404.
Why?
Not found. Why?
Like we it was
Requested resource could not be found.
just go there and we'll see the next log. The next log gives maybe it will just start.
Same thing.
It is working fine today.
Then what happened? And also video views is string. Still. So again, first thing is why this, next thing is this change. So why is this? Got YouTube response for this. Insights data state, statistics, view count is 2. Then how come it is becoming again string?
Check the math area. This is fine.
What is view means? Views.
This is the position.
Set view count. Where is view count? This. I need to get view from. Great Jason Taylor is doing this. No idea. Need to check. And also, first of all, why 404? It will always be 404. You are running local mode. And in local mode, analytics is localhost colon something. See, analytics blr dev.livestream.com it seems. Got it. Huh? Good. Got it. So this solves this also commit. Okay. So this solves the 404 thing. Next thing is that string. Let's check string, but we are not doing anything. Where is the three? Let's check right value and box. So I can schedule.
You should try for reevaluate and leave it and another thing, if you it not makes sense to have staging as a separate this one. Because it needs to be whitelisted. You don't want it to sit on the outside. Yeah, I know. If you have to merge it, then it becomes. Yeah, within that, I have no firewall. So I think we can add the firewall on the original. Exactly. No, firewall on the origin for.
Now 400 because of this. See, 400 because of that thing. Let's check what is the latest API. Because of the views. See, do not know how to convert JSTring into long. JSTring 2 equals to views, na? Total video views. See, views is coming as string. So that's why you change it to that. This, right? This comes as integer. This comes as this. This is coming as an integer. In report API, right? It will automatically this time will work, right? No, but good. Finally. Why did it change? Huh? What? What? I'm just checking. Why does it long work? So it is coming a string in data API. Yeah. That's why I copied it. So finally it works. Now I'll check the quota. We'll check. Now only we'll change it to something. What should we do for those things?
Hey,
16 March.
16 we tried, na? 17 March we have reached 600 only. 6,000 only. It's 1 million, man.
16 March, 17 March, what you were trying?
Report API, getting report API, data API. 16th March, 17th March. 16th March was 17th March was POC, right? That main method just keeps running every time.
Okay. You would say
Let's stop the broadcast.
message post.
Let's stop the broadcast.
I'll not stop, I'll just change the date.
No, okay, I want to test this thing now.
Which one?
It's already saying today for 600, right?
It's in a whatever.
For event, it is not under. Embed, if you see the ticket,
Whatever.
embed, we didn't do anything. So after beta, whatever we did, I think it was only for
We change the quota, it break in message.
438. Let's see next. It might be in the middle.
somewhere, somehow, Google will find that you are somewhere and start indexing. It's happened.
Now it's something like that because to increase the quota every 5 days.
Quota is gone, then I have to option. Then I have tested everything.
No, people go and it's so easy. You put it on your pass, your Facebook, and they open it.
But can I just change it to for the seconds also, no? What's not working?
We're still getting the token.
Mhm.
Java API application project name we have not written that. How will it know like if using Java project?
Set application name.
Yeah, because I am using my token, and that's the name of the application.
Oh,
will
you
go
are
here.
hard coded, no?
Your own token, right?
Then your thing is hard coded for that to. No,
No.
your token.
So in this application for a particular token, I'm rate limiting, right? But application name should have to give this application name, right?
Hmm.
But I have given name of the application come here. You want to change that, you can change this and save it.
Where in YouTube side.
Why is it giving error? Okay, then how is that working? How is it working? Let's see.
Close it. What you are getting?
Long, you have to get longer.
You are already getting some integer one.
No, that's position.
Some metric position. Then live data row is a what? List of object.
Here, view concept, view concept. You have to do long on. Twisting it.
Why?
Twisting it. There was one takes object. Yeah, that fix. This is done. Here.
Where do you?
Good, I didn't review. Good, I'll review the HPR.
But what is this application? Java API BL.
You give the application name right? To there.
The model data.
We didn't give me anything.
Yeah, model name,
Huh?
Create account anyway you created. But after that,
right? I think Java API BL only.
create whatever we are using.
Java API BL.
We are not creating keys and then
No.
That's right. Yes.
What then?
The analytics API.
Forget analytics. Let's see what.
It's already running. It is running. Okay, so you are and we did for lead capture also. Lead capture, Vijay, you will need some more time?
Yeah, good. I completed the event.
Okay, so So this week we can finish it up. Okay, so maybe you should merge and run your stuff on this one.
But what is that token you are getting?
Which token? That's my token. It fits.
This is a token that is hard coded now.
Yeah, get token method. See get token method now. No, this is not a token. This is a call method. Go to task handler. There will be okay, you know,
Get
get you to or token from you. This I generated on 16th March.
still it's on.
Yeah, refresh token also, right?
Where is the refresh token? Comma is there.
In Google code is right.
They are also hard coded.
Set access token, refresh token. So it internally keeps refreshing.
Okay, this you already have. Oh, what I was thinking. This we created using what?
This I created using my basic GUI library from that OAuth token. Main application.
In Java API BLR only, right?
Yeah, main application. No, this we created using samples.
Eh. We created here some client ID, client secret, and then we pass that
But
client
that
ID.
we did in samples. Main
But in
yeah.
samples, we pass the client ID, client secret to get this token, right?
That we
Here,
did in production.
huh?
That we did in here on credentials. Credentials.
Here only, right?
Credentials, yeah. Yeah, see? Client 1, client 2. Client 1.
This is the name you should use. Which one you remember?
Client 1.
Fine.
Yeah. This is my client ID, right? No, this is the name.
I think this is the one you need to pass.
First try with this.
This will not.
This will not work. P2 API service. What?
This.
What where we constructed?
Let's see.
Let's see. Start it. Client ID. What is client ID? It should not work. We should pay. Actually, we are resume 6 more than 347 years.
If it doesn't work, then we'll change to Java API DL. That will work.
Yeah, that is what we leave it to give the token. They deployed something. Leah sent to me, right?
We still get.
What now? It doesn't work like that. Change the Java. I'll do one thing. Latest one. No, we'll never reach one.
Means
If I go live for a whole day, it won't reach. No, I won't reach, right? It's 5 only, right? Per minute.
it's a 5 cost, right?
Per minute is 60
5% to 1 minute.
300 per
5
hour.
into 1440 you do, na? How much? 7,000 something.
7,000. How we thought like I'll reach the limit?
We reached the limit, then we divided, did how many events can go, all those calculations.
Yeah, but since he's saying like every event can go live, right? It's upon this rate limiting is on each user token, right?
That is your time not clear.
What name is it? Like, is it for per application or is it for user token?
What is this?
You change it to Java API. Change it to
Ah,
Java.
see, quota limit. What is this? What is it? Like, this is my quota limit and it is. Earlier it was not showing, no? Huh? This. Or it's already reset. Or what? Really good as reset.
That's alright, but this thing if you see, right? We applied the limit, right? This will apply to all these, but this is not our project. I can make sure, like, otherwise it will fail, right? We will keep filing up the changes.
But why it's showing? If it is showing quota limit here,
But we are setting it here, but we don't know, like, this is the project we are using there, right? That's the question.
using these projects only, we created the token and all, right?
Yeah, we created token. We named the Java API. We tried the Java
Ah,
API.
see. I
Java
told
API.
you.
You change Java API. You change it to Java API. This is log, right? Severe. What is the log I'm doing? The name of the user application. Is it just gonna give Sridhar your code? What is the exception type?
This is not like that.
Java API.
If we don't pass set application, it is giving 4-1, right? Or what does it give? If we just don't set any application, it should give 4-1 then.
No.
Then how it will match? Okay, this is for this application, this is the client secret.
You need the
It should give 4-1, no?
yeah, application. But just one second. I have to test one more. It didn't give quota exceeded exception from our side.
You are throwing some code
Yeah.
execute where?
Quota exceeded exception. We handle concurrent tasks. No, it's really a task handler. है.
YouTube quota exceeded. It will come from where?
It will come from the YouTube API error.
No one is throwing.
Why?
Why?
No, get report, right? Get report data get it's a private method. So it throws
This?
yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Where it is
It
thrown?
throws YouTube exception.
Okay. So YouTube exception you might have caught.
Before I'm not caught it.
Okay.
YouTube I'm getting afterwards. So this is good.
And I will
Guys just check. No? This is fine.
YouTube other exception.
Or maybe what is the message it contains?
Request can be done.
It's different. Like message doesn't contain quota. Region contain quota.
You have to check this, no?
Copy C. Yeah. Just go.
What you are checking?
No, it's I'm just checking the message. Facebook YouTube API error. Class go to YouTube API error.
You said you made some changes to make it compatible with this.
Okay. Go to other messages to make it to region.
Okay.
Always you should put reason here also. Everywhere.
You have to go error dot region.
Everywhere it should do it like this. Why code? What is this?
Error details. Error details. Dot region.
Get reason or error details is a list.
So, $10 unchanged. Yeah,
So we
just
can get
clarify.
a list of details, right? How do I check? It gives only one, I don't know.
Okay, then dot create. Zero.
Yeah, that will be the first. Yeah, which will
All other places also you should do like that reason only, because their documentation also says reason is this. Message might get changed anytime.
this time you see, you receive.
Yeah.
Then,
Hmm. Other exception still.
this message I can check daily limit exceeded. Message it says see the outside message, not the message inside one.
Yes.
No, outside message comes
This.
daily limit exceeded. Yeah, this I can use.
But ideally it should be check only reason. That's why they put reason and those are like a key point. Key.
But those region are for each variables, right? We are checking get zero, but why did it for get zero also? We this time we get zero.
Photo exhibit. Right? This is what you are getting, right? Throwing.
Yeah, this is what I'm.
Huh? Now, let's increase it.
Oh, too much.
Now see those boundaries gone now. 450, 357, so almost 455.
So check the region that I'll handle. I'll check the region part.
You can really check the reason. Otherwise, put message also, that is also fine. Once it is exceeded, even though you change, it will not take care. Next,
Take time. This
let's see how much it takes. 1 minute.
this came. No, this is the same one, right? This time it should work, right? Don't multiply this in real life. There's no point. There's no what to come out and get. Then we go live on night.
Still,
No, it will be quota will be reset at midnight. It's like
they are saying already.
huh?
They are saying it will be midnight today. Testing is over.
No, it's not over. I just change the application.
No, but that is one doubt I have. Change application. Then every time I can create different application, it will never how it will work. Whatever token you are using based on.
User token also is there. That's why they have something. So you can have only one token, right? User token. If you have user token, that even if you're using different application based on the user, you can make only this many.
I always get confused. How they will map?
They that's why they have token based on the user. Three token value they have.
If we just change application, that's it. Then every time if we just keep on changing the application while creating YouTube client,
It works. See, don't stop.
it works, right?
Yeah, after 3 4 minutes.
So that's why it's not. No, 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 no. It works, right? So
Now I
one,
have to do this. handle the message.
I think around 4 5 minutes it takes. That is fine.
Four calls. For analytics, for data anyway, it won't change that much.
No, only I have this now. I just change the application name. Change the application name. See, I don't have this. Don't I give
So it doesn't matter, it ultimately saves the application.
from
It
my
doesn't matter what way you pass it.
from where they will get this application name. They have
From you have deployed it somewhere.
I have deployed it somewhere.
Default. That's what we'll upload.
I don't get what to do. User oriented. By default, what? Are you getting that is just the user agent header there it's set.
We didn't use rules. We didn't use rules.
Internally it uses
Yeah. So let's check. We are not getting this order. You closed it.
huh?
You closed that application.
See we are getting. That's fine.
But it is still at work.
Still it worked. Still it gives this. Right?
Yeah. It usually token only.
That's what I am saying. Otherwise I can just set application name equals to current time in millis.
Yeah, I know. I don't think so. It takes token only. You close this. Oh, you close the server. Okay, no problem. I'll start again. So everything is working, just that I need to check.
It's not about set application name or what. Nothing. You can try now. There is no application name set, right? So I'll get this or what, and then if you just change it to change the quota, it will give quota accident. Right?
I think it's usually the client ID.
Some that token. That's what I'm saying. Otherwise, so from because that token is generated using the client ID of which is using this project. Then there is a mapping, right? From the token they can backtrack to what is the client ID, client secret. From the client ID we know what is the project. Otherwise there is no other mapping with application name. Application name is just like a okay for this if they have some other
Okay, so
limit.
this ideally, I think Node can use 3 4 clients.
I don't know. Say I where is
I think if you complete beyond this,
one
like using 4 5 client IDs.
for client ID.
Why do you want to use the one for the region
See no
specific?
quota limit is there. Okay.
We should use right 3 4 client IDs. Why do we have to use only one client ID? If they can handle 5 client ID region wise, one client ID for my specific region wise.
But this is per project quota, right? Not per client quota.
For a project, doesn't
Otherwise,
matter how many
I can get every call, create a new client.
Yeah.
Because in your quota users, there is not saying, okay, for this client, you have hit this quota. It's just overall. This project you have, even while enabling the API and all is like that project, right?
What's the application name that I said? Like give a warning every time. I think
We said something, but
I'll say
that is not.
YouTube
Because if you set the application name, that is going as part of user agent header. Then they can check, okay, for this user agent, maybe they have other mechanism like from this user agent increase the rate limit, or if they are get, so all those kind of don't know, right?
But application name we are hoping we will get from Node API.
Why?
You can set anything.
Either you can set anything or it takes 4-5 minutes now to update to get it in effect.
Yeah.
Let's see. After 4-5 minutes
We are
it will
live
start
for more than an hour now.
Longest night. See? It depends, doesn't it? Make sense, right? Otherwise, how
we are getting Kotak exception, or we still started getting something else?
What?
What is the exception?
This is a Kotak direction.
No, but we got into other exception again.
Huh?
Did we remove the change?
YouTube API error. Because message is now not daily limit exceeded. That's why. That's why I'm saying check with reason.
Yeah.
See, this message can be anything, anytime.
Let me check with this now. Wait, don't check.
What?
Why to check every time? I can change now.
Here only, right?
Yeah. This will be get 0 because that will be always the first. We are getting only one here.
Huh?
Yeah. Why you pretty?
It has the two string, right?
Yeah,
Data.
two pretty strings.
Oh, two pretty strings.
Too pretty, too pretty.
That is why I'm saying. Use the reason everywhere. Because reason is like just a ID. Otherwise that message.
If object not found, then we are not resolving, right? If channel IDs are not going to found, then there is no point resolving, right? That's what I wanted to do.
You have to wear a detail. Location, message. Where is reason?
Put exception.
Where is it? See.
No, this is fine. Just see, let me check this. How do I see the exceptions? Is it correct or not? What I see once? If it is 400, I'm just passing invalid details. If the channel ID is wrong, so we don't do anything with that. We just pass that. And the next one is contains video not found or channel not found. I'll check is the region. So then I'm saying object does not exist. And only if, one more thing, right?
I let it increase. is quota exceeded. Now again it gone. Where is quota exceeded?
The region is daily limit exceeded. We both check with the two.
So quota exceeded is the first time they will get. See, that is why. First time we are getting quota exceeded. Next time it is coming with daily limit exceeded. So both we need to check. Okay, I know. They have different quotas, right? So now you do this daily limit. This or this basically, no? Okay, that we can do. So that is why they have this reason, but they are different messages, same thing.
I have to check all the.
No, it's fine. See again.
So even message I can check.
You can message, you can check, but ideally it should be this reason. Because
Exceeded. This is the region we are getting it. This is we are getting a region.
this
Yeah.
insufficient capability.
No, we are getting a region. This is the
This is the reason, huh? This is the reason.
Quota exceeded. Daily limit exceeded.
So basically it's quota exceeded group only, right? Reason? No. That is coming.
So this is Google API. Okay, that's what. It doesn't come to YouTube. Okay, so the Google API only the stop you.
At that level or before getting to YouTube.
Yeah, and that's why we are getting. It's alright, we can check both sides.
So first rate limit will incur a cost.
First,
Even this invalid thing also will incur a cost. So why should we continue?
but we'll only make one call, right? Next call will not go to the Google API.
No, not
Your
rate
two
limit.
API. Rate limiting it won't cost.
No,
us.
not rate limiting. I'm talking about this video not found or channel not found.
Yeah.
So in this case, you are just stopping that scheduling.
Yeah.
Then it's fine.
If it is not found, then I'm just stopping.
Then it's fine because this already all have one cost incurred minimum.
Yeah. And this and the invalid requests are not stopping.
Very invalid request.
When it comes when you give the wrong part or part name change or printer name could change.
But how that is like it should
I'm
never
just
come.
logging for.
But it should never come because we are the one who is making that request.
Yeah.
So if there is any code bug, then only it will come.
Yeah. So that will
That is fine.
So I'm just checking this one. This is the two main reasons.
So here also you put that daily limit exceeded also.
Reason part. I'll check it. The same thing I'll check.
So you can just put reason. Right? This message or reason.
Yes, region.
This is also reason.
Yeah.
Then this was also not working.
You can't test this. That's why I have to test the acceptance.
That's it. I'll just close it now.
Don't stop the server.
You'll just
Just stop the broadcast for once and then stop. You got null pointer again?
no sound. No, we can just
What is null pointer you got?
no that is
ended. No, do filter, collect.
no.
So you're saying just hit stop one here. This we get call, right? We
Why
got-
you are stopping?
It change one logic, right? I wanted to just test it.